para, hey. Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damari and this channel is all about so many things right now. I haven't decided on what one thing to do. So today's video, I am doing an unboxing video. So I got this ring light from Venture. Oh, I'm going to show you my details, There. It's a 12-inch ring light. And let's see what's inside here. I bought it for 4,000 shillings, but I paid an extra 300 shillings for delivery. It was sent as a parcel through to NK Circle, and that's where I went and picked it from town. So let's get into opening it. I had already opened it. I'm a typical Kenyan. I can't just be coming to show you things that I haven't opened yet. I had opened it, I had seen. Okay, so this ring light, what's supposed to come with this ring light? Okay, I'll just try to guess things here. So the first thing we have, I think this is the power adapter. It uses electricity. Going to put it somewhere there. Then I'm in a tripod. I didn't open this one. Okay. I'm in a tripod over here. I love the way it's flexible. You see, it's really flexible. Okay. And it has phone holder. There's the phone holder for the mini tripod. I had also not opened this one. Wow, I'm surprised. Is this really me? So this is how it looks like for the mini tripod. Put them aside and throw the paper away. Then we have the remote. And who is this? Who am I becoming? I hadn't opened this one. Wow, I'm so surprised. So that's the remote. I had seen something about this remote. So this is the night mode. This pink one, oh, it's orange. Yeah. This orange thing here, it's called the night mode. Then definitely this is on, this is off. And we are really we're studying here together. Okay. Brightness. Okay. So this side, this CT negative is for brightness, and you use this one here. And for adding the brightness, you use this one here. You see, like it has been drawn about there. That's for brightness. You add or you reduce. Then this one here, it's called section. That one, the section is for, okay, now let me tell you something. I've really been struggling to look at where my lens is, and my lens is down here. I hope this video is just okay. I'm not going to repeat. I don't know what auxiliary is, so someone should tell me what's the work of the auxiliary. I don't know. Help a girl in the comment section down below. So I'm not sure if I said about the section. The section is for selecting the different kind of light that you want. There is warm light, there is white light, and there is white light, soft light, and warm light. That's the work of the section. And The remote uses a battery. It doesn't have. I'll have to buy so that I can use the remote. That's okay. Put it aside. The other thing we have is this one. From the diagram, it's for connecting the ring light with its tripod. We'll do this together. Then finally, I didn't open it. I've told you guys, I'm really surprised. Then finally is the Bluetooth shutter. Yay! This is the most exciting thing about this ring light. I'll be able to take photos of myself without help. Camera, Android. Okay, so this Bluetooth shutter, does it choose? I don't know. Oh, it has an on-off thing over here. Yes, this one. The on-off thing. So you put it right now. Oh, when it's on, it glows blue. You can see the blue light here. Yeah, that's when it's on. It has a nice blue light. When it's off, nothing happens. I hope it's not going to be. I hope it doesn't need any charging or anything. Yeah. We are almost done with the unboxing. I haven't forgotten anything, any details. This is how the box is. I'll get rid of that. Now finally, yeah. The ring light, it's 12 inch. I think it's not that big, but it's medium size. You can travel with this one, easy to carry around, and also it's affordable. It has a phone holder that is flexible. You can put it wherever you want. Really, it's flexible. That's it. Okay. Oh shit! What am I even doing? We'll figure that out. So, and finally, there's so much noise. They have this bag for carrying around the ring light. It's just small and really easy to carry around. I think I just love it. Like, I don't have to be bulky with things. Like, it's so easy to carry around. And finally, our tripod. It's supposed to be 2 meters long, so we are going to find out if it's 2 meters long. So let's undress it. There's so much noise on the papers. So let's set up the. So one thing about this ring light, it has so many joints. Like the screwdrivers and everything. I wish there was an alternative. I get tired of opening these screwdrivers every time. It's so tiresome. Let me see. Alright. So this one is for adjusting down here. Okay, I'm making it. Okay. I think that's okay. So I'm going to just tighten it so that it stays in place. Okay, next part is here. So we are going to adjust the length will have to wake up now. Give me a second. Let's see if it's really smooth or slow. Okay, somewhere. I am 5'6". Again, I'm 5'6". I've forgotten my height. But that's like, this is more than enough. There's no way I'm going to use my ringlight up here because I'm shorter. So definitely I'm just going to use somewhere down here. And also you haven't added the length of the ringlight and everything. So we're going to assemble it. Okay. Now we're going to connect the power adapter to the socket, and this is where you connect it. And when it's on, the light becomes blue. So you see, the light becomes blue. And then, hi, hello, like I'm already pretty and it's not on. Yeah, okay. So that's the power. That's I can't read from behind. That's the mode. This is for increasing the brightness. This is for decreasing the brightness. So with the power. Woo! All right. I think this got to be the white light. I'm not really sure. This has to be the white light. And then we're going to increase the light now. I think you can see me. So let's reduce it and then we'll take some nice shots over here. So that's it for today's video, guys, and thank you so much for all those people who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, it's never too late. You can always subscribe, share with your friends, like, comment, and let's grow together. Thank you.